Okay, so we just arrived at our place in Rome. It's called Boho Suite. I know we're close to the Colosseum, but we haven't seen the Colosseum yet. So when we go explore, we'll take you with us, and then you can go see with us whatever we see, buildings and so forth. It's basically a communal area, and then we have a room. There's 3 rooms that shares a communal area. The rooms are pretty much like hotel rooms. I'm just going to show you. Okay, so they've got some space for your clothes to hang and pack, a bed, little workspace. This is the area outside. This will be our view. And then there's also a shower and toilet and so. So yeah, that's it. I'll quickly show you the communal area as well. Which is this? It's a kitchen and a place to eat, and so which is shared by 3 different rooms. Okay, so what's the plan today? You are the tour guide today, so you have to say.
So first up is the that big wedding cake thing. Then we go to the Pantheon, and then the Trevi Fountain, and then the Spanish English steps, and then we die in a, I don't know, is it a, and then we go to the Vatican.
Okay, so that's the plan, and there's a park or something. The Spanish City is like a lookout park.
I can't remember the name.
And then tonight you're going to go for dinner. That's kind of the plan we have for today. Lots of walking, maybe.
Somebody's having
taking the
festival outside.
Taking the metro if we can. But I think it seems like in the central part where a lot of these sites are, there's not necessarily metros in between them. So we might have to walk a lot, but we'll see.
That far, it's just a few kilometers.
Yeah, so by now we're used to walking a lot.
And for the Americans, I don't know how much a kilometer is. It's 75 kilometers per mile. So you're going to walk very far.
Yeah, no
kidding.
Yeah, in case you actually believe that. 1.6 kilometers per mile. Something like that. Yeah, so that's the plan for today, and we'll see how it goes. But we will definitely take our cameras with and show you everything we see. Okay, so we're on our way. Let's explore Rome.
It's fine.